Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Property Management 101, and today we'll be discussing the 3 best practices in between the time your resident gives you notice and when the resident moves out. If you've already done so, please watch my disclosure video as well as my why do this video. If you find this video helpful and learned something new, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. This video will apply to the conventional side with multifamily and single-family homes. By performing these 3 steps, you can ensure that you and your team will have the unit in the best shape possible to release it quickly and for top dollar. Number 1 best practice to keep in mind is to enter the notice right away. It's important that you're adding the notice as soon as possible in your PMS. This will help get the unit on the market as quickly as possible, minimize any vacancy loss that is experienced, allow the most amount of time for your staff to prepare, and ensure that if any vendors are needed, they are given the most amount of time so you can get on their schedule as quickly as possible. There are certain situations in single-family management that you may want to hold off putting it on the market, but in most cases it is best practice to put it on the market right away so you can start to pre-lease the unit. Number 2 best practice to keep in mind between the time someone gives notice and move out, order any and all maintenance supplies. Ensure that all supplies that will be needed to turn this unit are on hand in stock once a unit becomes vacant. Think of things that every unit will need like air filters, smoke detector batteries, and keys. Also things that may be particular to that unit type. This may be a little harder to be proactive with a single family rental, but you should have an idea who and how the unit will be turned, so ensuring all parties are informed and ready will be important. And the last thing to keep in mind between the time someone gives notice and moves out, schedule all vendors and staff. This will be really important to ensure that each unit is moved into as quickly as possible. With the second best practice and this one, I would refer to the most recent inspection notes and pictures that were performed on the unit to see if there are things like they'll be needed like painting, carpet cleaning, maintenance work, etc. Some of the things that will come up will not be seen on the most recent inspection, but reviewing the inspection notes and pictures should give you a decent idea of what condition the unit will be in. For the staff, it will be important that they block off time to walk the unit for damages, schedule staff to perform maintenance work, final walks, etc. Hope you found this information helpful and learned something new, and this makes your process a little easier for you and your team. If you did, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Happy leasing!